Hey there, Jira enthusiasts. If you're diving into project management with Jira in 2025, you might need to add a new team member to your project. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you through it step by step. This process is straightforward, but it's always helpful to have a clear walkthrough, especially with the latest updates to Jira's interface. First things first, make sure you have the right permissions. You'll need to be a project administrator or have admin rights to add users. Okay, let's jump in. Start by logging into your Jira account. Once you're in, head over to the dashboard and select the project you want to add the user to. It's usually listed on your sidebar or in your project list. Just click on it to enter the project view. Next, look for the Project Settings option. You can find this by clicking the three dots or the settings icon in the top right corner of the project page. In the Project Settings menu, scroll down until you see the People or Users section. This is where the magic happens. Now, click on Add People or Invite Users. You'll be prompted to enter the email address or username of the person you want to add. Jira will check if they're already in your organization's directory. If not, you might need to invite them first. Once you've entered the details, select the role or permissions for this user, options like Member, Administrator, or Custom Roles depending on your setup. After that, hit Add or Save to confirm. Jira will send an invitation if needed, and the user should appear in your project roster. Double-check by going back to the People section to ensure everything looks good. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like permission errors, make sure your account has the latest updates or contact your Jira admin. That's it. You've successfully added a user to your Jira project. This feature really streamlines team collaboration in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy project managing.